1 week ago, I showed you this incredible robot dog which you would be able to buy very soon at under $10,000. When I made that video, I certainly did not expect an even cheaper, faster and more intelligent model to come out so soon. But here we are. Unitree Robotics has just released the successor to their Alien Go robot, which is in direct competition with Boston Dynamics' famous Spot robot, while having in many aspects more features and a better price point. Welcome to this episode of AI News. In this episode, I will show you all of its capabilities, its running speed, where you will be able to buy it and more. Just 2 days ago, Unitree released the ultimate spot competitor in all ways imaginable. Chinese robotics company Unitree debuted the first version of this robot, which was called A1, at the Consumer Electronics Show earlier back in 2020. The first version of the robot was small, about 1 foot wide and 2 feet long, but it could move shockingly quickly. Unitree said that the robot's walking speed was about 2.5 meters a second. This was impressive at the time but has been completely obliterated by the new model. Walking wasn't the only thing it could do. Many videos showed it performing all kinds of jumps and flips, thanks to flexible joints and a strong motor. Each foot even had sensors that take in information to send to the motor to make movements more efficient. The A1 weighed roughly 26 pounds, including the battery, and had a 2-hour battery life. It has the ability to carry up to 11 pounds and might be used as a delivery robot. A smart camera allows for real-time video transmission, which the robot might employ for a variety of private and public purposes. Unlike Boston Dynamics robots, Unitree focuses on creating robots that the average person can enjoy due to its many social features like following its owner on the sidewalk and being able to interact with other robots of its kind. After releasing their social-focused robots, Unitree has also released a bigger, stronger and more durable version that directly competed with Spot called Alien Go. And just like the previous models, its price left Spot in the dust. In terms of appearance and size, the Unitree Go1 is not much different from the A1 machine dog, and is different in some small but interesting ways. The Unitree Go1 weighs 12 kilograms and is only 22 centimeters tall after it has been folded together. The Unitree Go1 can carry up to 5 kilograms of weight, which is slightly less than the A1. But the Unitree Go1 moves almost twice as fast, reaching a top speed of close to 5 meters a second. Amazingly, that is faster than the jogging speed of most adults. So you shouldn't need to worry about accidentally outrunning it when taking it for a walk. Now to the part you've probably been waiting for, the price you'd need to pay for your own Go1 robot. The starting price is an incredible $2,600. There's also 2 other models that range from $3,500 to $8,500 and offer some additional functionality for developers. Whether it's jogging or shopping, the Unitree Go1 can help consumers in many different ways. You could have it carry your groceries after having gone shopping while on the way back to your home. They have also set up several visual cameras on the side of the machine to help the robot avoid some of the obstacles it encounters in the real world. With an intelligent companion and hyper-aware systems, even when the Unitree Go1 is on your side, you don't have to look back and worry about whether it's with a big step or an obstacle. This aspect of it makes it perfect for visually impaired people. You could also make it react to sounds and let their potentially deaf owner know of the encountered sound. Unitree Go1 is the perfect high-end mechanical pet that can offer people companionship. It can also be used in education or research and development. Many universities already have hopes to use the latest version of their robot, to give their students a completely dynamic machine to do tests with. Some schools even want to bring the Go1 into sports to enable human and robot partnerships while playing sports. The features of the robot are also going to expand regularly through free updates, which makes its future even more exciting as artificial intelligence algorithms are improving at a rapid pace. In addition to Tencent, there's several other companies like Huawei, Drew Power, China Electric Group involved in the development and production of these 4-legged robots. Although these robots have not yet appeared frequently in the public, in the eyes of these pioneers, It is only a matter of time before robots intervene in the lives of ordinary people on a large scale. And with this super cheap option, this matter of time is likely even shorter than originally expected. There's also talks about there being a smaller version of Boston Dynamics Atlas robot being in the works at Unitree. That robot is supposed to be available at the price point of around $10,000 and will be able to perform similar acrobatic movements like Atlas. This especially would be exciting, and I'm certain that we will hear more about that in the near future. While some might consider Unitree to be a cheap, Chinese ripoff of Boston Dynamics machines actually did serve as inspiration. But it's clearly not a one-to-one copy, since Unitree CEO Wang wanted to make quadruped robots simpler and smaller, so that they can help ordinary people with things like carrying objects or as companions. So what is your opinion on the new Unitree robot? Would you consider buying a cutting-edge robot at this relatively low price, or are you going to wait for future robots with even more capabilities and a lower price point? What do you think about Unitree sponsors? Please tell us your opinion in the comments below. I would love to hear what you have to say about it. Thank you for watching AI News. We consistently report on the newest technologies that are shaping the future of our world. We'd appreciate you subscribing and watching our other videos. See you around and take care.